workers, are you ready? Hats on, gloves on?
Yes, we're ready, but you're not.
Rumble, 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 that's the sound of action. Rumble, 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 machines of construction. Rumble, 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 we're playing in the sand. Rumble, 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 won't you lend a hand? Dig a hole, dig up dirt. The digger is on alert. Working, working in the sand. The digger digs, digs the land. Dirt goes up, dirt goes plop. From the digger it is dropped. Moving, carrying, driving away. This dump truck is on its way. Rumble, 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 that's the sound of action. Rumble, 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 machines of construction.
Rumble, 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 rumble.
Dirt gets moved, dirt gets moved. Bulldozer makes it smooth. Crushing, grading, smoothing its way. Bulldozer is busy today. Rolling, rolling, dirt gets rolled. Sand roller packs and holds. Packing, rolling, level the load. These machines make the road. Rumble, 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 that's the sound of action. Rumble, 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 machines of construction. Dirt is done, cement is next. Mixture is quite complex. Turning, churning, mix and pour. Cement truck makes a roar. Rumble, 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 that's the sound of action. Rumble, 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 machines of construction. Rumble, 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 that's the sound of action. Rumble, 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 machines of construction.
Wamble, 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 wamble. Machines of construction. Wamble. Who stole my toy? Can't find it anywhere. Please help me look. Is it over there? Please give it back. This isn't fair. Can't find my toy anywhere.
I don't have your toy, it cannot be far. Is it in the shed or in the car? Might take time, but we'll get it back. It's okay, don't frown like that.
Where is your toy? We'll find it soon. Let's check the sofa in the living room. Don't worry, Johnny, don't you fret. Please don't give up hope just yet. Who stole my toy? Can't find it anywhere. Please help me look. Is it over there? Please give it back. This isn't fair. Can't find my toy anywhere.
I don't have your toy, we'll find it soon. Is it in the closet in Mommy's room? Just keep looking and don't you cry. We'll help you find it in no time.
Where is your toy? It cannot be lost. Let's check the yard in the flower pot. Don't worry, Johnny, don't you fret. Don't you give up hope just yet. Who stole my toy? Can't find it anywhere. Please help me look. Is it over there? Please give it back. This isn't fair. Can't find my toy anywhere.
Let's see. It's not over there. Is it in the kitchen under the chair? Just keep looking, don't you fear. We'll
was in my bedroom all along. I found my toy, I'm happy as can be. I found my toy, and that's all I need.
You found your toy, that's all you need. Who wants to play peekaboo?
Isn't peekaboo for little babies?
Not the Boom Buddies peekaboo. Yeah, it's more like hide and seek. And when we find each other, we do the peekaboo dance. Watch this. Peekaboo, where are you? Wherever you are hiding, we'll find you. Peekaboo, we see you. There behind your little hands, we found you. Where is Nathan? Where is Nathan? Where's he hiding? I can't see. Where is Nathan? Where is Nathan? There he is, behind that tree. Peekaboo, we see you. There behind your little hands, we found you. Gotcha!
We found you!
Where is Carol? Where is Carol? I am searching far and wide. Where is Carol? Where is Carol? There she is, under the slide. Peekaboo, we see you. There behind your little hands, we found you. There you are.
Where is Mark? Where is Mark? Is he there behind those rocks? Where is Mark? Where is Mark? There he is, in the sandbox.
Peekaboo, we see you. There behind your little hands, we found you. There you are.
Gotcha! Where is Nico? Where is Nico? Must be hiding somewhere great. Where is Nico? Where is Nico? There he is, behind the gate.
Peekaboo, we see you. There behind your little hands, we found you. Gotcha!
We found you!
Where is Wendy? Where is Wendy? Where's she hiding? I can't tell. Where is Wendy? Where is Wendy? Look, she's under the carousel. Peekaboo, we see you. There behind your little hands, we found you. Peekaboo, where are you? Wherever you are hiding, we'll find you. Okay, guys, time for your bath.
No, no, no!
Come on, Munchkins. Bath time is fun.
That's right. I'll show you how to make bath time really great.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, let's get in the tub.
Jump inside, it's time to scrub.
Turn the tap, the water's on. Let's all sing the bathtub song.
Use the soap to scrub your arms. Scrub, scrub, scrub your arms. Use the soap to scrub your feet. Scrub, scrub, scrub your feet.
And you're the best big sister.
That's right.
Splish, splish, splash, we're in the bath, scrubbing and playing and having a laugh. The bubbles are big, the water's on. Let's all sing the bathtub song.
Use the shampoo to wash your hair. Wash, wash, wash your hair. Don't forget to scrub behind your ears. Scrub behind your ears. Wow! Now my little sweethearts are looking good and clean.
Yay, yay, yay! Everybody look at me. I'm as clean as I can be.
Time to rinse and get real dry. That's the end of our bath time.
Use the towel to get real dry. Wipe, wipe, wipe to get dry. Use the towel to dry your hair. Dry, dry, dry your hair. That was so much fun! I can't wait for the next bath time.
I told you it was fun.
Let's play the exciting treasure hunt game.
Great idea, Mark. Wait, we're off the game. Let's play.
Hunt for the eggs, there are 10. Find an egg, then do it again. In those eggs, there's a surprise. Open them up for your prize. Becky found 2 eggs, 1 and 2, right over there by the shoe. Open them up, surprise a ball. This makes 2, let's find them all. 1 and 2. Johnny found the eggs, 3 and 4, just behind the kitchen door. Open them up, surprise a plane. This makes 4, let's hunt again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hunt for the eggs, there are 10. Find an egg, then do it again. Carrie found the eggs, 5 and 6, next to the drum and the sticks. Open them up, surprise toy cars. This makes 6, you get 2 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Becky found more eggs, 7 and 8, on the bed. This is great. Open it up, wow, candy canes. This makes 8, let's hunt again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hunt for the eggs, there were 10. Find those eggs, look again. Johnny found the eggs, 9 and 10, right beside the baby pen. Open it up, choo-choo a train. This makes 10, end of the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In each egg there was a surprise. Good job done, here's your prize.
Hey, Mom! Can we play the guessing game with the little ones?
Sure, Wendy, let's play. But let's make sounds from the barn, and the babies can guess the